Springdale School Dubai, where the learning journey for each child begins in the friendly, enriching environment of kindergarten. The UK-based early years curriculum focuses on physical, emotional and social well-being, as well as providing a foundation for academic growth through inquiry, exploration, creativity and personal responsibility. At Springdale's, every child matters. Every child is a star.
आप सभी को संजीव कपूर का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का जिफ फूडशाला प्रेजेंटेड बाय फाइन। हम आ गए हैं सीजन 10 के तीसरे लीग राउंड में और आज का मुकाबला बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। हमारी आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है अंजू, जो एक टीचर हैं और टीचिंग के साथ साथ अपना कुकिंग का पैशन भी परस्यू करती हैं।
आज के टाइम में मेरे घर में खाने की वो महक आती है जो मेरे दादी के खाने में आती थी, तो मुझे लगता है कि उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स आज भी मेरे साथ हैं। वही प्यार मैं अपने खाने में, अपने बच्चों को खिलाने में और औरों को खिलाने में लाना चाहती हूँ।
और इनके साथ भिड़ेंगे सीजन 6 से आए धर्मिल, जिनका शौक खाना बनाना ही है।
I am very passionate about cooking, so I keep trying new dishes whenever I am free. In season 6, all the mistakes that I did and all my weaknesses, I have overcome that. And for season 10, I'm fully prepared and I aim to go at the finale.
आप दोनों को मेरा बहुत सारा आशीर्वाद। गुड लक।
अंजू, धर्मिल, वेलकम टू फूडशाला।
Thank you, chef.
थैंक यू शेफ।
So, 10th season. Excited? Get up.
यस।
धर्मिल, आपके लिए सिर्फ एक वर्ड है मेरे पास। धर्मिल है धमाल। अंजू, इसका मतलब है आपको भी करना पड़ेगा कमाल। तो खाने को मिलेगा आज बढ़िया माल, क्योंकि हम बना रहे हैं फूडशाला के बेमिसाल 10 साल।
मुझे फूडशाला ने दूसरा मौका दिया है अपनी स्किल्स प्रूव करने के लिए, so I'm really happy about it.
फूडशाला बेमिसाल 10 में मेरा होना is like a dream come true.
Since we are going to complete a decade with Foodshala, the themes this year are going to be even more advanced and pro level. आपकी आज की थीम है Your Own Cloud Kitchen.
I was very happy to hear that I can start my own cloud kitchen, and the cloud kitchen concept has really taken up now.
Today you have to make your own cloud kitchen, जिसकी cuisine होने वाली है farm to fork. जिसका मतलब है आज आप जो भी बनाएंगे, it should have freshness, nutrition and health element in it.
Farm to fork is something very nice and I have got a good lot of plans for that.
Keeping the current situation in mind, I thought this could be the best theme to work on.
आपको बनानी होंगी कोई भी 3 डिशेस जो मैं चूज करूंगा आपके मेन्यू में से। फूडशाला को 10 साल हो गए, तो यहां से आगे का रास्ता आसान नहीं हो सकता। आगे बढ़ने के लिए आपको पार करनी होगी एक चुनौती, और मेरी चुनौती है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्मार्ट टास्क।
I was like, oh my god, now there is a task also before the cook-off. So I was like, put off.
स्मार्ट टास्क का मतलब स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल, अचीवेबल, रियलिस्टिक एंड टाइम बाउंड। हारने वाले को दी जाएगी एक पेनल्टी, मतलब पहले ही लॉस।
Oh my god, मुझे लगा टास्क के पहले ही पेनल्टी मिल गई। और सुनते सुनते पेनल्टी में सोच रहा था क्या पेनल्टी होगी।
और आपकी आज की स्मार्ट टास्क है रोलिंग एज मेनी चपातीज एज पॉसिबल।
टास्क सुन के मुझे लगा ये तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है।
Both of you are provided with flour. You have to knead the dough first and then divide it into equal balls and make as many chapatis as possible.
I was very comfortable with kneading the dough, but my main worry was rolling out chapatis.
But the condition is that each chapati must be the size of your hand. You will only get 10 minutes to perform this task.
10 मिनट में 35 से 30 रोटियां तो आराम से बन जाएंगी।
Remember, this is a mind game, okay? Both of you know that hygiene is always paramount in my kitchen, and that's why I've kept fine sterilized kitchen towels on your desk. These are the only food certified towels in the region. Use them as and when required.
After I entered the kitchen, the first thing that I saw was fine sterilized towels. So that was really a good thing to see, and it really built a lot of confidence in me.
So let's wash our hand and begin today's task. pump, rub, shoo.
रोटियां बेलना इतना आसान काम नहीं है और शायद बीइंग अ फीमेल आई हैव एन एडवांटेज ओवर इट और धर्मिल का पता नहीं वो कितनी रोटियां बेलने वाले हैं।
The way I was rolling out chapatis, I thought I was doing good.
जब टास्क हो रहा था तब एक तो था कि हाथ के साइज की रोटी होनी चाहिए, तो धर्मिल की तरफ देख करके लग रहा था कि उसकी रोटियां परफेक्ट बन रही थी, तो इसलिए वो थोड़ी नर्वसनेस थी उस टाइम।
I just wanted to check if I was ahead or she was ahead, but when I started looking back, I was like, oh my god, she has already rolled so many.
3, 2, 1, that's it. Time to check. Okay, Dharmil, let's start with you. Show me your hand. शायद चल जाएगा। 1, 2, इतना छोटा तो नहीं है आपका हाथ। Show me. Doesn't qualify. Same, doesn't qualify. Oh, this one's beautiful. Africa. ये आपके लिए वापस।
When chef started picking the chapatis and he started disqualifying it, I was like, no, come on. In the beginning itself, you started only disqualifying my chapatis. So I was like, please don't do that, chef.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 chapatis.
I was like, गई भैंस पानी में।
धर्मिल की 7 रोटियां थी, उससे ज्यादा तो मैंने बना ही ली थी।
अंजू ने तो पूरा लंगर लगा दिया है, इतनी सारी रोटियां। सारी की सारी रोटियां इतनी परफेक्ट हैं। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 chapatis.
It was obvious that she's a clear-cut winner and that I was slow and I couldn't keep up to her speed.
धर्मिल, इसका मतलब है you will get a penalty. मेरे पास आपके लिए ये black cards हैं and you will have to pick one.
I was ready to take the challenge, so I thought we'll take it whatever comes. Let's see.
थोड़ा मजा आया कि उसका टाइम वेस्ट होगा and I will be doing my things faster than him there.
ओके धर्मिल,
Yes, chef.
आज होने वाली है आपके हाथों की घिसाई जब आप करेंगे अंजू के गंदे बर्तनों की धुलाई। This is your penalty, which means during the first 30 minutes, Anju can call you any moment for washing her pots.
I was like, oh my god, yaar, I didn't want to watch those dishes on national television, but I had no choice.
अब बारी असली कुक ऑफ की। धर्मिल, let's start with you. What are the dishes on your menu?
Creamy carrot coconut soup, jalapeno broccoli soup, watermelon feta salad, sweet potato noodles with chicken and avocado cilantro sauce. I would also like to serve curried oats with tandoori masala, roasted zucchini and onion and capsicums, and tahini chocolate date balls.
Sounds delicious. You can take down my order.
Yes, chef.
Let's try the jalapeno and broccoli soup.
Oh my god, I was not expecting that.
Then I'll take the curry rolls.
Okay. Continuously in my mind, no, chef, please don't choose that. Because I'm a vegetarian and I have never eaten non-veg.
Sweet potato noodle.
Noted, chef.
So the jalapeno and broccoli soup, I want it less creamy,
Okay.
little more spicy,
Okay.
and at the same time make it a bit sour. The curry rolls, I want them to be nice, moist, and well grilled.
Yes, chef.
Anju,
Yes, chef.
tell me about the dishes from your menu now.
So on my kitchen, I will be serving flirty sips, figgy mango. I'll be serving sasurali chatke, dulari bedha, and chicken papa wala.
कौन सा वाला?
चिकन पापा वाला।
बहुत बढ़िया।
आई फेल्ट कि क्यों इनको इतना फनी लग रहा है, बिकॉज दीज डिशेज आर वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट।
She did lack in technicalities because, like as you said, nobody would know like what is Papa ka chicken.
अंजू, you can take down my order. मैं खाऊंगा एक ससुराल के चटके, दुलारी बेदा, एक चिकन पापा वाला।
श्योर। चिकन पापा वाला मेरी स्पेशलिटी है और ये बनाकर मैं शेफ को इम्प्रेस कर दूंगी।
चिकन पापा वाला has to be very mild spice. At the same time, don't put a lot of oil in it. ससुराली चटके जो हैं वो थोड़े से चटपटे और स्पाइसी होने चाहिए। Okay?
यस शेफ।
That's all for today. So 60 minutes on your hand, 3 dishes each. Let's start to cook now. Fire! So 60 minutes on your hand, 3 dishes each. Let's start to cook now. Fire!
In a time-bound task, you have to first start cooking the things which will take a longer time to cook. So I had in my mind in all the 3 dishes what I need to do first. I was a bit nervous in the start, yes, because I know to get the right dish, 60 minutes is not a very, it's quite a challenging time.
क्या बन रहा है?
Chef, this is a broccoli alpino soup.
Don't tell me. This is a broccoli soup?
Yes.
आपने तो broccoli और cauliflower में difference ही खत्म कर दिया। Would you pay for this soup if this comes to your home?
Chef, the soup
Yes
is not complete.
or no?
No.
Very good.
Actually, I didn't want to say no, but the way chef was asking, I got a bit nervous and I just said no.
Tell me the mistake you're making here. Quickly.
The mushrooms are getting overcooked.
हर vegetable का cooking time and temperature is different. आपने onions, capsicum, zucchini, mushrooms, you put them all together.
Chef, mushroom अभी डाले मैंने.
But वो overcook हो रहे हैं. धर्मी को लगता है कि beef और broccoli, beef और brown, जैसा मर्जी बना दो, तब खा लेंगे.
Zucchini takes a little longer to cook, so I had put the zucchini first, and then I put the mushrooms much later. So I wanted to tell chef that I have to still blend it and all that, and once I put it on the platter, I'm sure he would want to pay for it.
Anju,
यस शेफ।
what is this?
शेफ, दैट इज द सॉस फॉर ससुराली चटके।
Smells like dal.
इट इज बिकॉज इट इज मेड फ्रॉम ग्राम फ्लोर। इसको हम अजमेर में कड़ी पकोड़ा बोलते हैं।
ये तो कड़ी है, आपने कड़ी का नाम
कड़ी दही वाला होता है, लेकिन ये बिना दही वाला है।
तो सिंधी कड़ी तो नहीं बना
नहीं 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 नहीं, सिंधी कड़ी नहीं है।
What is this for?
दिस इज फॉर ससुराली चटके पकोड़े, फ्रिटर्स ऑफ पालक।
आप पालक के पकोड़े बना रहे हैं?
जी।
क्या बात है, फूडशाला सीजन 10 में पालक के पकोड़े। ये तो वो बात हो गई, नाम बड़े और दर्शन बहुत ज्यादा छोटे। इसके पैसे मैं नहीं दूंगा।
देखते हैं शेफ, टेस्ट कीजिएगा।
अंजू इतना बेसिक खाना बना रही है, उनको लग रहा है कि उनके घर की किचन है, बट हमारी थीम है अ प्रो क्लाउड किचन।
शेफ अक्षय को क्या पता मेरे घर का स्वाद क्या है। जब वो टेस्ट करेंगे तब उन्हें पता पड़ेगा कि मेरे घर के फ्लेवर्स क्या हैं। शेफ, I would like to call Dharmil here for washing my utensils.
First, I really thought she forgot about it because काफी टाइम तक बोले नहीं था। I was also happy. मैं मेरा काम करते जा रहा हूँ, खींच रहा था। Suddenly अंजू ने हाथ उठा लिया, बोला अरे I want to call Dharmil to wash my dishes. Feeling proud of myself. I'm sure my wife will be happy seeing this.
जब मेरी बीवी नाराज़ हो जाती है मुझसे, थोड़ा मैं घर पे उसको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए सब करता रहता हूँ। यहाँ पे तो मैं पेनल्टी की वजह से नेशनल टेलीविज़न पे बर्तन धो रहा हूँ। अभी वो घर पे जाके मुझे पता चलेगा कितनी नाराज़ हुई है।
All right, last 5 minutes. Hurry up, guys.
Chef had already announced only 5 minutes are left, and I was really nervous because I had to still do my plating. I had to do tempering of my soup. So I was just running helter skelter to get things and do it.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Delivery guy at the door. Dispatch. Dharmil, we'll start with your tasting first. Dharmil,
Yes, chef.
before I start tasting, I'll tell you something. Let's say I went to a restaurant and I ordered a penne in arrabbiata sauce with some jalapenos and broccoli on the side. What would you expect more? Broccoli and jalapenos or a big portion of pasta?
Broccoli and jalapeno.
So you named your dish wrong.
I was like, oh my god, Dharmil, you're not expecting this.
You need to know how to write your menu first. Let's hope these taste well. Do you think I can call this a soup?
I was very disappointed with myself.
Your soup has split completely. Probably a grainy green water.
I guess my attention was split and so was my soup.
You had an opportunity to use rainbow products from there. You had evaporated milk, you had thin cream. You could have made this soup so delicious.
I didn't use any cream or evaporated milk because when chef placed the order, he said I don't want it creamy.
Moving on to your second dish. As I mentioned, the name doesn't justify to the dish, but full marks for the cooking of chicken.
When chef said full marks for your chicken, I was like on the seventh heaven.
The way you got that sear on the breast was good. It's nice, it's perfect. The chicken is moist. At the same time, there's a bit of caramelization on top, and it really tastes good with this avocado sauce on the side.
I think the credit goes to Allium chicken because I think it was really fresh and it was very easy for me to handle it and cook it. So I got full marks.
The avocado sauce is brilliant.
After all the negative comments I got on my soup, this was like my life came back.
Moving on to your third dish, curried oats. The first thing that comes to your mind when you feel that you're gonna eat something curried is yellow. So it failed on my expectations when I just looked at it.
I was like thinking, chef, color pe mat jao, taste ekdam kadak hai.
This looked more like tomato-ish. The second problem is when you overpower curry flavors in a dish, it tends to get bitter. So these oats have become bitter. The mango sauce on the side, did you make it here?
I was looking here and there like what to do, and suddenly my eyes went to Shan mango chutney, and I was like, wow, this will save me. And I just bought it and I put it, and chef was like, the mango chutney is going well with the curried oats. So I was like, relaxed.
Vegetables, I was not too sure, when you were doing them. मैंने आपको बोला भी था
Yes,
कि आप सही से नहीं बना रहे.
Yes, chef.
But vegetables perfectly cooked. And the sear that you got on the vegetable is just perfect. So congratulations for this technique as well.
Thank you, chef.
Anju,
Yes, chef.
ting tong, dispatch your dishes to me.
Sure, chef.
Okay, Anju,
Yes, chef.
विरासत का खाना आया, कुछ मजबूत होगा.
I was very confident with my recipes, but I think I could have done a better job with my plating and presentation.
पता है किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में या क्लाउड किचन में या होटल में और एनी बिजनेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड, सबसे पहले आप उसको नाम से बेचते हो. आपके नाम ने ना बहुत एक्साइटमेंट क्रिएट किया, मगर जब वो चीज़ मेरे पास आई तो उसने मेरी उम्मीदों के ऊपर 4 चांद लगा दिए. स्टार्ट करते हैं आपके एग प्रिपरेशन से. दुलारी बेदा, डिश बहुत अच्छी है, इंस्पायर्ड लाइक अ कॉम्बिनेशन बिटवीन अ फ्राइड एग, bullseye, and probably a Italian frittata kind of a thing. Your eggs here were a bit overcooked.
I was like, दुलारी बेदा ने तो एकदम बेड़ा गर्क कर दिया.
मुझे लगा था थोड़ा उस टाइम I should have kept it aside, and he caught me there.
Moving on to your second dish, पापा वाला चिकन. इस डिश का मैरिनेशन इतना बढ़िया है, इतना स्वाद है कि शायद दुनिया का हर आदमी इस डिश के लिए पापा बनना पसंद करेगा.
I had tears of joy in my eyes when Chef Akshay actually praised me for that, and it was just an awesome feeling for me to listen those words, and I'm 100% sure पापा जब भी देखेंगे इस प्रोग्राम को बहुत खुश होंगे.
I was like, oh my god, पापा जी आ गए अनु जी को बचाने.
Moving on to your third dish, ससुराल के चटके. इस डिश के लिए पड़ेंगे फटके क्योंकि इसने मुझे दे दिए हैं झटके, क्योंकि आपके जो है ना सो कॉल्ड पालक के पकोड़े कच्चे हैं.
Wow, keep going, keep going.
अभी तक कुक नहीं हुए. इसके अंदर कच्चे बेसन का फ्लेवर है और पालक इतना बढ़िया इंग्रेडिएंट. पालक के पकोड़े इतने बढ़िया बनते हैं, क्रिस्पी बनते हैं. ये सॉगी है, अंडर कुक्ड है, बेसन प्रॉपर्ली कुक्ड नहीं है, सीजनिंग की इनमें कमी है.
After पापा वाला चिकन, I was thinking like ससुराल के चटकों ने तो अंजू जी को बुरा चटका दे दिया.
But anyways, all the best. You both did well. Thank you. Let's see.
So I really want to win because this is my second innings and this is my last chance.
You were supposed to take me on cloud 9 with your cloud kitchen concept. And there's no second chance here because you're not in front of the guest. वो खाएगा और उसके बाद वही डिसाइड करेगा कि मैं दोबारा यहां से खाना खाऊंगा या नहीं. Anju, Dharmil, and the kitchen from which I would be ordering again is.
To be honest, 50-50 लग रहा है because both of us got negative and positive comments.
So there is a 60-40 chance. I believe 60% is for me. So hopefully I should win.
Virasat from Anju. There is no term like losing in my dictionary. Sometimes you win, while other times you learn. And learning is the only key to success in making of a good chef. This is Akshay Nayyar, and I'm going to see you next week in another Power Pack League round of Foodshala Season 10. See you.
It's a K Company production.